Okay guys, I have a new SDR radio that I got. It's a Hermes Light 2 that I hooked up and connected it to my receiving loop antenna. The first thing that I noticed on the 20-meter band, which I never realized I had, is I've got a huge swath of radio frequency interference across most of the band in the SSB band. And I think what that is it's probably interference from a local station. I've actually played around with it. When it comes in, sometimes comes in a lot stronger than this. And I had an FM radio. I was able to narrow down that it's actually 90.1 FM, which is a local station to me, probably about 1.5 miles away. And it transmits with a significant amount of power. But what I've decided it is, I'm going to try to fix it, is I believe that because I think that the signal is coming in on the antenna, and the antenna has a powered preamp on it that I use because the HF signals on that antenna are very small, so I use a preamp to boost them, and then that's what's being fed into the SDR. So I'm hoping that what this is it's an FM signal that's being overdriven in the preamp, and it's generating some intermod distortion, and it just happens to be that it places some emissions on 14.2 megahertz. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out to the antenna, I'm going to drop it to the ground and open the box up that I have there. And I have a FM bandstop filter, and I'm going to put that filter in front of the preamp after the antenna, so that the first thing that the first component that's hit after the signal comes in off of the antenna is the bandstop filter. And then hopefully that eliminates that FM signal, and it'll get rid of this intermod distortion. Okay guys, here's the antenna. And this is a RF choke right there. And then this is the box with the preamp. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook up this FM bandstop filter in between that preamp and the antenna. Okay guys, so there's the bandstop filter installed. Kind of a spider web down in there, but I like doing it this way because everything's a module, so if something goes bad I can just pull it out and replace it. But let me get the lid on this and get the antenna back up, and I'll go in there and see what it does to the signal. Okay, we're back in here at the SDR radio looking at the signals across the 20-meter band, and it looks like the addition of that FM bandstop filter has solved the problem with the noise that I was seeing. So I guess that's what it was, is that local FM station, which was already strong, was being overdriven by the preamp and generating some distortion that was being placed on the HF bands. Looks like I got some other noise in there. I got to try to figure out what that is and get that solved. But for now, guys, I hope that helps somebody. If you're running a loop antenna, small loop, or some other kind of active antenna with a preamp on it, and you have some distorted signals, that could be what it is a strong local signal is overloading the preamp and generating some distortion. So it may be worthwhile looking into some filtration ahead of the preamp at the antenna. All right, talk to you later, and thanks for watching.